And then you have the machine here. You have that nice handle there, and then they're making it a nice, easy carry. So this is a 230, 60 hertz, 30 amp machine. So it's still, you still need to do 220, 230 to get it running. What's nice about this machine, it's a 7-inch disc, so it's the same as an edger, hook and loop. You're talking about a 2.7 horsepower motor, so it's a nice aggressive motor. It's a planetary magnetic motor, so it's completely sealed, so there's no brushes, no true wear parts in it, so it's a very low maintenance machine. Further than that, you have variable speeds. Variable speed makes it very nice when it comes to getting to a situation where you want to be aggressive, you want to back down when you finer grits or something like that. If you're trying to do something like putting down stain, for instance, with carpet pad, it's nicer to back down that speed. So you can back this all the way down to 80 RPMs, or you can go all the way to the other way up to 400 RPM. So it's a very versatile machine. It's got nice big wheels to go upstairs and so forth. It's got a nice light, extra weight. So the machine, what's nice about it is when you have the machine, it's only 88 pounds when you have everything off of it. Then when you add the head, you can see it there, you all can come and pick it up. That is 37 pounds right there. And then the weight itself is 31 pounds, the light is about 2 pounds. So at the end of the day, the full weight of the machine, once it's stacked up like this, you're looking at about 157 pounds. Nice industrial skirt, you can see there. Nice thick skirt that goes up and down. It's nice and tall enough for if you want to try our wire brush kit. The skirt will fit nicely all the way to the ground. And what's nice about this, it's got the same head, so the normal like Malish head will fit on here. You can put your normal plate on there. We do supply you with a single head that comes with it. You'll notice that it has a spacer just because the pan head has a pin, and you just need that little bit of clearance when it's spinning. A lot of people are afraid of the smaller jobs just because it's almost too big of a hassle to get into a small job like a 250, 300 foot square job, because you have to send 2 guys and big machine and all that kind of stuff. Where this, you can send somebody and it's not going to kill them moving the machine around and all that kind of stuff. So, and again, I have a lot of people that enjoy this machine in apartment settings and so forth, where you can get close to the wall. You can use just a 6-inch machine to sand the edges. You don't have to bring in an edger, which keeps the noises down, which keeps the building managers happy. So other than that, it's just so versatile, and it's just a really nice machine. Adjustable, the handle adjusts with a hydraulic in the back here. So you get it to there. Variable speed here, 80 to 400 like I said. Safety switch, and then you have your startup. And you'll see those green lights come on, and then the machine will start going. And then you can, from there, you can adjust your speed on the go.